Look at these 3 different shorts videos from 3 different shorts channels. Maybe you know about these channels just from the theme alone, which is exactly the point of this video. So I want you to pay closer attention to the details that's in this shorts video along with the theme, the style and the colors they are using. And if you can't focus on all 3 videos at the same time, it's okay. You can just focus on any single one of the videos because in the next few seconds, I'll show you 3 more videos from the same channels but shuffled in a separate order. Just see if you can identify which is which. So the shorts feed in YouTube is filled with millions of videos created by hundreds of thousands of creators. And I'll tell you a shocking fact, which is, on average, shorts are seen over 30 billion times in a single day. Yes, billion with a big fat B. So when an average person scrolls for at least an hour through this shorts feed, he comes across over 40 to 50 plus shorts videos. And if you are really lucky, your videos will also get played on his feed. And just forget about how this particular person will engage with your content. Yeah, leave all of this data aside and focus on the bigger picture. Which is, no matter how much you worked on that video, this particular person might forget about this content you created right after swiping up just a few more times in their feed. And it's common because let me ask you this one single question, which is, do you remember the previous 5 videos you watched just before clicking on this video? But wait, don't just exit the video to check your history because the point I'm trying to make is we are all trying hard to grow on a platform where millions of creators already exist. And if we are careless about the way in which we represent our channel through these short form videos, people won't really remember us for who we are, nor will they want to come back for watching more of our videos. To make it more easier to understand, imagine a scenario in which you are getting 1 million views on your very first short video. Just think about it. You are really happy, right? Also, you'll be excited to make the next video and see all of those numbers go up. But when you upload the next shorts video, you just get like 100 views. And the numbers are not going up no matter whatever you try. Well, we have all been there. And rather than blaming the algorithm for not showing our videos to a wider audience, we should actually sit back and think about the reason why we suck in the first place. Do you remember the first task we did in the beginning of this video? So those videos are from successful shorts channels, by the way. So let's break down how they make their videos and see how they brand their content and make it recognizable among millions of audience. You can also follow these techniques that they are using at the moment. And for that, I've categorized these channels into easy tier, medium tier and hard tier channels. So let's get into it. First of all, we have got Zack D Films, who does these 3D animations to showcase his educational short form videos. And the videos he produces are really hard for a beginner to create. Because for you to create such videos, you'll have to know advanced 3D animations. But other than that, there are a lot of things that we have to learn from this channel. Then we have Ray William Johnson, who is an excellent storyteller. His videos are really engaging to watch, and the way he includes these AI art images to tell his stories is one of the best branding technique I've seen so far. But the main branding is the guy himself, as this is not a faceless shorts channel. After this, we have a normal text-to-speech AI automated channel called Tech Moments. And one of the most important thing about this channel is that any beginner can just try it out without wasting a lot of time. So now let's get into the breakdown of how these masterminds crack the YouTube short algorithm and gets millions of views every single time they upload. My name is Zyck, and if you love watching videos like this, do consider subscribing. Zack D Films is one of the fastest growing YouTube shorts channel in the platform with over 12.2 million subscribers. When I say fast, I really mean fast. So this channel gets almost 400 million views in a single week with over 200,000 subscribers. And I think they really make this $4,000 to $16,000 during this 7-day period. And in the last month alone, this channel got over 1.3 billion views with 700,000 subscribers. And when we look at the yearly analytics, the channel has got over 10 billion views and the channel earns around $100,000 to $400,000. So when I say the fastest growing channel, I really mean it. But the real question is, how does he do it? What's so good about these videos that over 400 million people watch his videos every single week? And what really is the secret sauce? I have been his loyal subscriber for the past few years. And in the past few days, I started analyzing his shorts videos in order to understand how he does it. And for that, I took some of his most popular videos along with some of his oldest videos. And not just that, I also took few recent videos in order to understand what makes a viral content, how his videos were made back in the days, and what is he doing right now. And after going through most of his videos, here are some points that you should really take a note of. And these are the exact techniques Zack uses to build his audience and make them want to come back and watch more of his content. It is the same reason why I am talking about him through these videos. And get your notes ready, because the most important thing that this guy does is provide a lot of value with his videos. And by values, I mean actual educational ones. It is also seen that he does his case study very well and really knows what he is talking about. When we look at his oldest videos, we can see that this was a normal channel, just like the Ray William Johnson one. And back in his days, we can see that Zack was just recording himself talking about a topic. But wait. The very first video he uploaded was him talking about people's net worth ratios, and in this video, we can't see him because he didn't feature himself in it. Only his hands were visible. But from the very next video onwards, he started including himself inside his videos. And all of this happened back in February of 2022. And back then, these videos really performed very well. And I think this is because even 2 years back, he was putting a lot of effort into these videos by adding these sound effects, transitions along with these retention cuts. But still, when we go through his latest videos, we can see that all of this editing in the past was actually beginner level. And he was pretty much doing a great job until he started putting more effort into his videos. Because after a couple of videos, we can see motion graphics and fancy text animations happening in his videos. But the real theme of Zack D Films happened during April of 2023. I guess this is the video in which Zack used his first 3D animation. And from here onwards, everything changed for this channel. But all of what I said was just the tip of the iceberg. Because Zack also presents his videos in the most unique and satisfying way possible. His 3D animations are one of the reasons why people recognize his work. And also we can see his watermark all around the video. And he was forced to do this because I have seen multiple channels just blatantly copying his content and reposting it without giving any credits. And no matter whoever reposts these videos, there will be at least one person in the comment section who recognizes Zack's work. Which takes us back to our previous video where I told you about the importance of personal branding. And people easily recognize his work. This is because of the way he smoothly presents his videos, the way in which he narrates a topic, and the way in which he uses a color theme in his videos. So even if the watermark doesn't exist, people can visually say that it's a Zack D film just by watching few seconds of the video. So my advice for you would be to add in your key element which people can easily recognize. This can be your voiceover style, your color theme, the font style, the subtitle style, the overlay elements, the presentation style, or all of them combined. And if you are really providing value, people will actually subscribe and become the backbone of your channel. Ray William Johnson can be categorized as one of the oldest YouTuber who consistently posts till date. He has been around for the past 15 years in YouTube, and during this period he has uploaded over 2,386 videos. And he currently has more than 17.3 million subscribers, and his channel receives more than 100 million views every single month. And these views are not just from the short form content but the long form content too. So because of this reason, his ad revenue can be much more than Zack D Films. Also, one of the important perks he has is that he still shows his face in his channel, and millions of people already trust and respect this person. And for that reason, he will be making much more from sponsorships and other affiliate programs. And when we go through his analytics, we can see that he also gains over 200 million subscribers every single month. And in the past year alone, he has gained over 3 billion views and 2.5 million subscribers. And not just that, his ad revenue is also over 1 million. And this is because of the amount of views he gets on his long form videos. And the type of content Ray posts are narrational short stories. And you should really check his presentation style and the way in which he presents these videos. And you will understand that it is too hard to click off when we start watching his videos. Now coming back to his shorts videos. So Ray records himself narrating the story. And in order to showcase what's going on in the story, he uses the help of AI images along with appropriate sound effects and overlays to make the audience immerse into the story. So if you're starting an AI channel, do check his presentation and editing style. Also, one of the other elements that I've noticed in his videos is his purple progression bar in the bottom of the video, which really let us know that the video is not too long. YouTube already has this feature, but it's also cool to add some personal elements like these in your videos, just like the one I just kept on the left hand side corner over there. And also this makes our audience watch this video till the end. So some of the important takeaway that I would suggest in this video would be to add a bit of motion to static images or videos to engage your audience, and use some sound effects with respect to the story to make your audience immerse into the world. And if you are recording yourself, do switch between stock footages of relevant images to make your audience focus more on the videos. One of the easiest way to produce YouTube Shorts would be to see how this channel does it. So basically, the channel downloads a viral video from Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media platforms and narrates what's happening within the video. And this channel owner doesn't use his own voice. He uses the help of this text-to-speech AI voice model in order to narrate what's happening within the video. And let me tell you this. So many channels are doing this similar style content. So if you're trying out, let me give you an heads up. But the easy part is that you don't have to research or script write because you just have to watch and write what's happening in the video and then give it to an AI to make the text to speech audio. But fair warning, if you don't add some sound effects or overlay elements and don't put in those extra efforts, YouTube won't accept you to the YouTube partner program because of the reuse content policy. So edit these videos as much as you can in order to escape this headache later. Now let's look at this channel's analytics and see what's happening. So in the past month alone, this channel has got over 330 million views and almost 250,000 subscribers. And in revenue wise, the channel is earning between $3,000 to $13,000 per month. The revenue data cannot be trusted blindly, but it's close to what I've seen in a normal shorts channel. Also, this channel has over 1.1 million subscribers and they have only uploaded 129 shorts. So takeaway from this channel would be to find contents which are already viral in other social medias and edit it without falling under the reuse content radar. Also, another tip will be to add captions and once in a while experiment with few contents which are out of your niche and check if that performs. Also, upload these short videos at least once per day because people are going to forget you if you are not consistent in this platform. Because these channels doesn't have an emotional attachment with their audience, nor do they have a personal branding technique involved. So do upload consistently if you are following this particular route. And this is exactly how some of the most successful channels in the platform actually performs and make their content. Being unique and branding is really important. But you can always start with an easy channel to see what works and what doesn't work in YouTube Shorts. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Bye.